Okay, let's think about this. What if your AI wasn't just something you talk to? What if it was an actual teammate? Someone who could roll up their sleeves and work right alongside you. We're talking about moving past just chatting and getting into real collaboration. And that's exactly the idea behind Claude Cowork.
I mean, have you ever had this happen? You ask an AI a question, it gives you this amazing answer, and you're like, great. But then you're the one stuck doing all the work, right? The copy-pasting, the formatting, the implementing. It's just talk. It's not really teamwork. And that really gets to the heart of the problem with most AI right now. All that incredible power is just trapped. It's stuck inside that one little browser tab, totally cut off from where all your real work is happening.
So just picture this divide for a second. Over here in this corner, you've got the chatbot world. It's pretty passive, it's conversational. But over here, that's your workspace, your desktop, your local files where all the complex active stuff gets done. And right now, there's this huge canyon between them.
So the big question is, how do we build a bridge over that canyon? Well, that's exactly what Claude Coworker is designed to be. It's not just another chatbot. You really have to start thinking of it as an actual coworker, one that has access to the tools it needs to do some heavy lifting.
The magic behind this is a concept called agentic AI. Now, that sounds fancy, but what it boils down to is this. Instead of just asking a one-off question and getting a one-off answer, you give the AI a goal, a whole project, and it's smart enough to figure out all the steps to get there. It plans, it executes, it sees the job through from beginning to end.
And once you have that, wow, it unlocks seriously cool new powers. We're talking about the AI being able to directly access your local files. It can chew on a complex task for hours without timing out. It can create real, professional outputs, like actual spreadsheets or presentations. And get this, it can even coordinate a bunch of smaller tasks and run things on a schedule for you. It's a huge leap.
Okay, so right about now, you're probably thinking two things. How on earth does this work? And maybe more importantly, is it actually safe to let an AI rummage through my files? Totally valid questions. So let's pop the hood and see how it works safely.
It's actually a pretty smart process. You give Cowork a job to do. First, it thinks about it and comes up with a plan. Then, it breaks that big job down into a bunch of smaller subtasks. It runs whatever code it needs to, but, and this is key, it does it in a totally separate, secure space. And then, once it's all done, it delivers the finished files right back to your computer. It's not a black box. You can see what it's up to.
In this right here, this is the most important part for your peace of mind. All the work, all the code, everything it does happens inside what's called a virtual machine. The easiest way to think about it is like a secure sandbox. It's completely walled off from the rest of your computer. Claude can only see and touch the specific files you point it to. You are always in control.
All right, enough with the theory. That all sounds great, but what does this actually look like when you're using it? Let's get into some real-world examples and see how you can go from just a simple request to a totally finished project.
Okay, let's start with a classic pain point. I think we all have one of these, that digital junk drawer, the downloads folder. It's a mess, right? So just imagine saying, hey, can you organize this for me? And bam, here's what you get back. Without you having to drag and drop a single thing, hundreds, maybe thousands of files are suddenly sorted into nice, clean, logical folders. That job that you've been putting off for months, that would have taken you a solid half hour, it's just done.
Okay, that's a simple one. Let's level up. Picture this, you've just finished a big project. You've got a bunch of voice memos, some scattered notes in a text file, maybe a few articles you saved. It's a total mess of information, and you need to turn all of that into one polished report.
Well, you can literally just hand all of that chaos over to Cowork. It'll digest everything, pull out the key themes, figure out a logical structure, and then spit out a fully formatted professional document. It's taking all that raw, messy input and turning it into a single, structured deliverable.
Now, this next one, this is a real game changer, especially for anyone who has to wrangle data. Let's say you've got a pile of receipts. You're not just asking it to list out the numbers. You're asking for a smart, functional tool.
And look at the result. This is so important. It doesn't just give you a flat CSV file that you then have to fix up yourself. No, it creates an actual Excel spreadsheet with working formulas, maybe some VLOOKUPs, multiple tabs, conditional formatting, the whole shebang. It's a document that's ready to use right out of the box.
So if you're anything like me, your head is probably spinning with ideas right now. If you're thinking, okay, I need to try this, what do you actually need to get started?
Let's get into the practical stuff. It's actually pretty simple. First, you'll need a paid Claude subscription. That's Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. Second, and this is a big one, you need the Claude Desktop app. It has to be the app for Mac or Windows. This won't work on the web. And of course, you'll need to be online.
Now, it's also really important to be clear about what it can't do, at least not yet. So you can't share sessions with other people. Its memory is contained within each project. And this one's a big deal. Your computer has to be on and awake with the app running for the task to complete. You have to think of it like, well, like a coworker who's literally sitting at your machine, actively working.
So all of this really brings us to one final question. And it's a fun one. Now that you've seen what's possible, now that you can imagine an AI that's not stuck in a browser tab, but is actually on your desktop, what's the very first thing you'd give it to do? What's that tedious, annoying task you would just love to hand off to your new AI coworker?